You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name of German origin, medieval Germanic surname. If you want to learn more confusing German names that are often mispronounced, stay tuned. It's pronounced because of the umlaut, pronounced as Kühn. That's German. Now, without the umlaut, it'd be pronounced as Kuhn. In English, it's more often pronounced as Kuhn. This is, by the way, the medieval contraction of the given name Conrad. The German pronunciation again is Kühn. It's the U sound. Kühn. In English, it's usually pronounced as Kuhn. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.